Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. First, you need to log into your Google for Education account and select the class that you would like to go to from the class card page. Once you're inside the class, simply go to the classwork page. This classwork page is a new feature in the 2018 Google Classroom. Next, click on the Create button and create an assignment. Simply give your assignment a title, provide instructions, you can give point values for your assignment right here in this drop-down list. You can provide a due date for your assignment, and you can create a topic right here. So if I hit create topic, and then I can hit assign. If I wanted to add any type of resources to my assignment, I simply click on the paperclip. That will allow me to add a file from Google Drive or from my computer. I can add a file from Drive. If I click on the Google Drive icon, I can add a YouTube video, or I can add a link to a different website as an additional resource for a student to look up. Once I'm done with that, I hit assign. And my assignment will be displayed in my classwork page. And there it is. I hope you found this screencast helpful.